Welcome to Auja's Maths Academy. Today we are going to see decimal expansion of rational number. Now first let us take the examples and let us understand the concept. Now observe the following. Now 0.525, this is the terminating decimal. 0.525, there are 3 decimal places. So now we can remove the decimal place. So 525, how many digits are there in the right hand side? 1, 2, 3, put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places, 3 zeros should be added to 1. Okay, so 525 can be written as 10 raised to 3. This is 1000. So 10 into 10 into 10, 10 raised to 3. 10 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to 3. This is 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. Okay, now this is the what I want to explain to you. I want to factorize the denominator. Now you see that the denominator 1000 is factorized into 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. Okay, so remember this point is very important. I will be discussing after other examples. Now let us take 1.84. So 2 decimal places are there, 2 digits are there. 184 upon 100, that can be written as 10 raised to 2. 10 can be again split into 2 into 5 raised to 2. You can write directly this one. 184, 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2. Again you see the denominators are the multiple of 2 and 5. It may be power, any power, it may be 2 and 5. This is very important, 2 and 5. Similarly, let us take the third example, 0.0048. There are 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 4 zeros down in denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 10,000, that is 10 raised to 4. 10 can be split, it will be 2 raised to 4 and 5 raised to 4. And here 2 raised to 4 and 5 raised to 4. Now 48 also can be factorized. It is 2 raised to 4 and into 3. Now 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 is removed, cancelled. So what we get? 3 upon 5 raised to 4. So here we see that we have cancelled 2 raised to 4. We can cancel it if it can get cancelled. So now here 5 raised to 4. Now see, denominator is having only one factor, that is 5. Okay, now another example I have taken 0.875, 3 decimal places, 1000, 10 raised to 3, that is 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. And 875 also can be removed or can be factorized, 5 into 5 into 5 into 7, that is 5 raised to 3. Okay. So now let us, for example, we have done, and let us understand that. So you see that these decimal are in the terminating form. So you see that all the 4 examples I have taken, decimal form of the expansion of the rational numbers are terminating. Second one, their denominators are having the factors either 2, 5 or both. So that is the second position. And this powers, here 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, again here 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 4. These are integers, positive integers. So we conclude that the denominators of the rational numbers having terminating decimal places, the prime factors must be 2 raised to m and 5 raised to n, where m and n are the integers, positive integers, and their decimal expansion will be terminating. Okay, so again you observe this and try to understand. Now questions can be asked based on this concept. See, one question I have taken: without actual performing long division, state whether the following rational numbers have terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. So question will be given in the form of P upon Q, and then we have to decide that whether this P upon Q will be in and the decimal form will be terminating or non-terminating, and how many decimal digits will be there or how many decimal places will be there. Let us see now. So let us take the example 35 upon 50. Now 35 upon 50, find the factors of 50. You know how to find the factors of 50. We have done in earlier videos. Again I am showing you. Use the table of 2, 25. Again use the table of 5, 5. Use the table of 5. So it is 2 into 5 into 5. So 5 is 2 times. So 2 into 5 raised to 2. And 35 also can be written as 5 into 7. So here 5 is 2 times in denominator and 5 is 1 time. So 1 time it get cancelled. So 7 upon 2 into 5. 7 upon 2 into 5 can be written as 7 upon 10. And you know that 7 upon 10 is 0.7. This we don't have to show. If it is asked, then only show. Therefore I have written it separately. I have ended the question solution here only. So 7 upon 2 into 5. Remember one thing, very very important. If the denominators are having factors 2 or 5, either 2 or 5 or both, then they will have the terminating decimal places. I mean the rational number will have terminating decimal expansion. And how many? See, 2 into 5. So what is the power here? It is 1. The power is 1. See that. And if power is 1, then 1 decimal place will be there. The power is 2, there will be 2 decimal places. Let us see now, understand with the second example. 13 upon 3125. So 13 upon 3125 can be written as, now factorized like this. So you will have 5 raised to 5. There is no 2 factor. So 2 factor is not there. So therefore I have written as 2 raised to 0. So it doesn't matter. So 2 factor is not there. So this question can be written as 13 upon 5 raised to 5. Now again you see the denominator is having the factor 5, only 5 for 5 times. Then this will be terminating. This will be terminating. Okay. And how many decimal places will be there? What is the power of 5? Power of 5 is 5. So it will have 5 decimal places. You see this here I have shown you. Now see here. And no need to do. This is just for your guidelines. See now. I have taken the same question here. 13 upon 2 raised to 0 and 5 raised to 5. I mean 2 is not there only. Let us cancel it. Now I want to add 2. To get the decimal places, if I want to get the decimal places, so I have to add 2 here. So now what is the 5's power? 5's power is 5. So I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 raised to 5. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2 raised to 5. See here I have multiplied up and down also. Now 2 raised to 5 means 2 into 2 5 times, that is 32. And 5 into 2 10. And the power is 5. Now 10 raised to 5. I told you when power is 5, then it will be 5 decimal places. Let us see how. So 10 raised to 5 means 5 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros should be placed in the right hand side of 1. So this is 416. 13 multiplied by 32, 416. So it is now how many places are there? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the decimal will be after 5 digits 1, 2, 3, and we'll put here 2 zeros. We'll put 2 zeros and then decimal will come. So 0.00416. This is your question. This is your solution. See how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have to show this part. We have to end there only. If it is asked, then only we can do. So we can find out that how many places will be there. 2 things we have to find. Whether it will be terminating or not terminating. If other denominators are there, suppose here 3 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there, 11 is there, those will be non-terminating. If it is terminating, it will have 5 or 2 or both. Understood now? You decide it. Solve this exercise 1.4. If you don't understand, tell me. I will show you other examples. Okay? Thank you.